In the heart of the wilderness, a shadow moves, unseen, unheard, it stalks its prey. This is the bobcat, a master of stealth and a vital part of the North American ecosystem. With its distinctive bobbed tail and piercing gaze, the bobcat embodies the spirit of the wild. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in a variety of habitats, from forests and swamps to deserts and even suburban areas. Understanding bobcats, their behavior, and their role in the ecosystem is crucial for their conservation and for maintaining the health of the environments they inhabit. The bobcat's scientific name, Lynx rufus, hints at its lynx lineage, but the bobcat stands apart with its adaptability and wider range. Often called ghost cats, they are masters of camouflage, melting into the shadows and disappearing with ease. While primarily found in North America, bobcats exhibit a remarkable tolerance for diverse environments. They can be found in the dense woodlands of the eastern United States, the rugged mountains of Mexico, and even the arid deserts of the Southwest. Researchers rely on a combination of field observations, camera traps, and tracking to piece together the puzzle of bobcat behavior and ecology. Bobcats are opportunistic carnivores, their diet reflecting the diversity of prey available in their habitat. From stealthy ambushes to swift chases, bobcats are highly effective hunters, playing a crucial role in regulating prey populations within their territories. Their primary prey consists of small to medium-sized mammals, with rabbits and hares often topping the menu. However, they are also known to hunt rodents, birds, reptiles, and even larger prey like deer, particularly fawns. Bobcats are known to lie in wait for their prey, using their keen senses of sight and hearing to detect movement. Once within striking distance, they pounce with lightning speed, delivering a fatal bite. The dense forests of eastern North America provide ideal cover for the elusive bobcat. Towering trees cast long shadows, creating a mosaic of light and dark, where the bobcat's spotted coat blends seamlessly. Within these woodlands, bobcats establish territories, marking their presence with scent markings and scratch marks on trees. The size of their territories varies depending on the availability of prey and the density of vegetation. Forest edges where open areas meet the woodland are particularly productive hunting grounds for bobcats. The presence of water sources such as streams, rivers, and ponds further enhances the suitability of forest habitats for bobcats. Water attracts a variety of prey animals, and bobcats often patrol these areas, taking advantage of the increased hunting opportunities. The bobcat's ability to thrive in close proximity to water adds another layer to their ecological adaptability. As the terrain rises and forests give way to rocky slopes and alpine meadows, bobcats demonstrate their remarkable adaptability by thriving in mountainous regions. The rugged terrain provides natural cover and vantage points, allowing bobcats to survey their surroundings and ambush prey. In these higher elevations, bobcats face different challenges, including colder temperatures, snow cover, and a different array of prey species. Their diet in mountainous regions often includes pikas, marmots, and other small mammals that are adapted to high-altitude environments. The presence of caves, rock crevices, and dense vegetation in mountainous areas provides bobcats with essential shelter for raising their young and escaping predators. Venturing into the arid landscapes of the southwestern United States and Mexico, we encounter bobcats demonstrating their remarkable ability to survive in some of the harshest environments on the continent. The deserts, with their scorching temperatures, limited water sources, and sparse vegetation, present unique challenges for these adaptable felines. Bobcats in desert regions exhibit a remarkable ability to obtain moisture from their prey, reducing their reliance on standing water sources. Their diet in desert regions often consists of kangaroo rats, pocket mice, ground squirrels, and other small mammals that have adapted to the desert's challenges. To escape the intense heat of the desert sun, Bobcats seek shelter in rock crevices, abandoned burrows, and the shade of cacti and other desert vegetation. In the southeastern United States, where humid air hangs heavy and cypress trees rise from murky waters, bobcats find refuge in the unique ecosystem of swamps and wetlands. These areas, characterized by standing water, dense vegetation, and an abundance of prey, provide ideal habitat for these adaptable predators. Bobcats navigate the swampy terrain with ease, their keen senses helping them locate prey amidst the tangled roots and tall grasses. Their diet in swampy areas often includes rabbits, rodents, birds, snakes, frogs, and fish. Bobcats will often den in hollow logs, abandoned beaver lodges, or amongst the tangled roots of trees, providing their young with protection from predators and the elements. The bobcat, a master of stealth, moves through its territory with an innate understanding of its surroundings. Every sense is fine-tuned for hunting, making it a formidable predator in the diverse landscapes it calls home. Their keen eyesight is particularly remarkable. Bobcats possess exceptional night vision, allowing them to hunt effectively even in low-light conditions. Their hearing is equally impressive, capable of detecting the slightest rustle of leaves or the high-pitched squeaks of rodents. This acute sense of hearing allows them to pinpoint the location of prey, even when concealed from view. Complementing their exceptional sight and hearing, bobcats possess a highly developed sense of smell. They use scent to mark their territories, communicate with other bobcats, and detect the presence of both prey and potential threats. The bobcat's hunting strategy is a testament to its patience and calculated approach. Preferring ambush tactics, it relies on stealth and surprise to secure its next meal. Concealed by vegetation or the shadows of rocks, a bobcat will lie in wait, patiently observing its surroundings for any sign of movement. Hours can pass with barely a twitch of its muscles, a testament to its discipline and focus. Once a potential target is identified, the bobcat enters a state of heightened alertness. With a burst of speed and agility, the bobcat launches itself from its hiding spot, covering the distance to its prey in a matter of seconds. The element of surprise is crucial to the bobcat's hunting success. Sharp claws extend to grasp and hold, while a powerful bite delivers a quick and merciful end. The bobcat's diet is as diverse as the habitats it inhabits. As an opportunistic carnivore, it has adapted to thrive on a wide variety of prey, showcasing its flexibility and resilience in the face of changing environmental conditions. Rabbits and hares often top the bobcat's menu, their abundance and relatively small size making them ideal prey. Bobcats will often cache larger prey, such as rabbits, returning to feed on them over several days. Rodents, including mice, voles, and squirrels, are also important prey items, especially during times when rabbits may be scarce. Birds, reptiles, and amphibians also find themselves on the bobcat's menu, demonstrating its opportunistic nature. From songbirds to snakes, the bobcat will take advantage of whatever prey is readily available, showcasing its adaptability as a predator. In areas where larger prey is present, such as deer, bobcats may occasionally target fawns or injured individuals. The bobcat's role in the ecosystem extends far beyond its predatory prowess. As a keystone species, its presence, or lack thereof, has a cascading effect on the delicate balance of its environment. By regulating prey populations, bobcats help to maintain the health and stability of their ecosystems. Their presence prevents any one prey species from becoming overly abundant, which could lead to overgrazing, habitat degradation, and competition for resources. In addition to their role as predators, bobcats also contribute to the diversity of their ecosystems. Their abandoned dens can provide shelter for other animals, such as foxes, skunks, and opossums. The bobcat, a creature of solitude, embodies the spirit of independence. Unlike social animals that live in packs or herds, Bobcats lead solitary lives, their paths crossing only for brief periods during mating season or when territories overlap. Each bobcat establishes and defends a territory, the size of which varies depending on the availability of prey and the density of suitable habitat. Within these territories, they roam freely, hunting, resting, and marking their presence with an array of scent markings, a silent language understood by other bobcats. Bobcats are highly intelligent animals, capable of navigating their environment, hunting effectively, and raising their young without the constant support of others. During mating season, males and females will seek each other out, their encounters marked by a flurry of vocalizations and scent marking. Once mating has occurred, the pair goes their separate ways, the female taking on the sole responsibility of raising the kittens. While bobcats may be masters of stealth and solitude, they are not entirely silent creatures. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, each sound conveying a specific message, whether it's a warning to rivals, a call to potential mates, or a comforting sound to their young. One of the most distinctive bobcat vocalizations is the caterwaul, a high-pitched, almost bird-like screech that can send shivers down the spine. This sound is most often heard during mating season, when males use it to attract females and establish dominance over rivals. In addition to vocalizations, bobcats rely heavily on scent marking to communicate with each other. They have scent glands located on their face, paws, and near their tails, which they use to deposit their unique scent on trees, rocks, and other objects within their territory. The urine and feces of bobcats also play a role in their communication, providing information about the individual's sex, age, and reproductive status. Section 3. Raising the next generation. Bobcat mothers raise their kittens alone, nurturing them from birth. The birthing den provides safety and warmth. Kittens are blind and helpless at birth. The mother nurses and protects them. As they grow, they play and learn to hunt. By fall, they are nearly grown and independent. Eventually, they disperse to establish their own territories. Section 4. Territorial disputes, fleeting encounters. Bobcats generally avoid each other outside of mating season, but their territories may overlap. These encounters rarely escalate into physical confrontations. They rely on vocalizations, scent marking, and visual displays. Aggressive displays often deter rivals. If ignored, a brief scuffle might ensue. These confrontations are usually over quickly. The loser retreats, and the victor claims the territory. Section 1. Human encroachment, shifting landscapes. As human populations expand, bobcats face the challenges of adapting to a changing world. Habitat fragmentation and loss of prey present significant threats to their survival. Urban sprawl isolates bobcat populations, restricting their movement. This can lead to genetic isolation and vulnerability to disease. Roads pose a significant threat, with vehicle collisions a leading cause of mortality. Bobcats, shrouded in mystery and often misunderstood, have long been the subject of myths, folklore, and misconceptions. Their secretive nature and nocturnal habits have fueled tales of their cunning and ferocity, often portraying them as fearsome predators to be avoided or even eradicated. In some cultures, bobcats are revered for their stealth and hunting prowess, their image appearing in art, mythology, and storytelling as symbols of strength, cunning, and resilience. Their ability to thrive in challenging environments and their mastery of camouflage have earned them a place of respect in the natural world. However, in other instances, bobcats have been demonized, their presence viewed as a threat to livestock, pets, and even human safety. These fears, often fueled by exaggeration and misinformation, can lead to persecution and unnecessary killing, further jeopardizing bobcat populations already facing habitat loss and other threats. It's important to remember that bobcats are wild animals with their own instincts and behaviors, shaped by millions of years of evolution. While they are capable predators, they are not inherently aggressive towards humans and will typically avoid contact whenever possible. Finding a balance between the needs of humans and the conservation of wildlife is an ongoing challenge, particularly in areas where human populations and wildlife habitats intersect. Bobcats, with their adaptability and resilience, offer a glimpse into the possibilities of coexistence, but it requires a commitment to understanding, respect, and responsible stewardship. Conflicts can arise when bobcats prey on livestock or pets, particularly in areas where human development has encroached upon their natural habitat. These incidents, while often exaggerated, can fuel negative perceptions and lead to calls for lethal control measures. However, it's important to remember that bobcats are simply fulfilling their ecological role as predators. Non-lethal measures, such as securing livestock enclosures, keeping pets indoors at night, and reducing attractants like pet food and garbage, can be highly effective in minimizing the potential for conflict. Education and outreach are also crucial for fostering coexistence. By dispelling myths, promoting understanding of bobcat behavior, and highlighting the ecological benefits they provide, we can encourage tolerance and appreciation for these elusive creatures. Bobcats, with their secretive lives and vital role in maintaining the balance of nature, serve as guardians of the wild, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving the delicate web of life. Their presence, or absence, can be an indicator of the overall health of an ecosystem. As apex predators, bobcats help to regulate prey populations, preventing any one species from becoming overly dominant and disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. This top-down control cascades through the food web, influencing the abundance and diversity of plants, animals, and even microorganisms. Their presence can also have indirect benefits for humans. By controlling rodent populations, bobcats can help to reduce the spread of diseases and minimize damage to crops and property. Protecting bobcats and their habitat is not just about preserving a single species, it's about safeguarding the intricate web of life that sustains us all. By appreciating their ecological role, respecting their boundaries, and working to minimize human impacts, we can ensure that these elusive creatures continue to thrive in the wild, a testament to the beauty and resilience of the natural world. The bobcat, a symbol of resilience and adaptability, has faced the challenges of a changing world with remarkable tenacity. While their secretive nature has shielded them from some of the more direct impacts of human activities, their long-term survival depends on our collective efforts to conserve their habitat, minimize human-wildlife conflict, and promote understanding and appreciation for their vital role in the ecosystem. Conservation efforts, spearheaded by wildlife agencies, conservation organizations, and concerned citizens, are crucial for ensuring the future of bobcats. These efforts often focus on protecting and restoring habitat, mitigating human-wildlife conflict, and conducting research to better understand bobcat populations and their needs. Habitat protection and restoration are paramount. Establishing protected areas, creating wildlife corridors to connect fragmented habitats, and implementing sustainable land management practices can help to ensure that bobcats have access to the resources they need to survive and thrive. Addressing human-wildlife conflict is equally important. Educating the public about bobcat behavior, promoting responsible pet ownership, and implementing non-lethal methods for reducing conflicts can help to minimize negative interactions and foster coexistence. Bobcats, elusive guardians of the wild, maintain nature's balance. Their presence signifies healthy ecosystems. Their gaze connects us to the web of life. Beyond ecology, they captivate human imagination. Symbols of stealth, cunning, and resilience. They evoke wonder and respect for the wild. Their silent steps remind us of nature's balance, a testament to adaptation and wilderness preservation. Let us learn from the bobcat: balance, adaptation, Coexistence. The fate of bobcats rests in our hands. We must ensure future generations inherit a world where bobcats roam free. This requires respect, understanding, and sustainable practices. Education and outreach are essential. Let us work together to preserve the wildness of our planet.